Hello everyone, Miss Rita here. Today in this video we are going to learn about geometry chapter number 5, coordinate geometry, practice set number 5.1. So let's learn. So in this video we are going to learn about a distance formula, section formula and slope of a line. So in the previous year, we have learned how to find the distance between any 2 points on a number line in geometry subject in standard 9th, right? Now, if coordinate of point P is 3 and the point Q is 5, so we know how to find the distance between the point P and Q. So we will take the bigger number first, 5 minus smaller number is 3. For here we get 5 minus 3 is 2 units. This already we have learned our previous class. So now we'll learn about the two given point with the x and y coordinate. So here point A have 2, 3 and B have 4, 1. So here coordinate of point A are x1 and y1 will, and point B will be the x2 and y2. So first is called x, second one is called y. So x1 is our 2 in the point A and y1 is 3 and x2 is 4 and y2 is 1. So here distance formula is what we can use in this. It is given in the textbook also. If we are to find the given point AB, it means the distance between the point AB, the formula is under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the formula for distance. So this by using this formula we will solve the exercise 5.1 question number 1. So student, will start practice set number 5.1. The question number 1 is given, find the distance between each of the following pair of points. The first point is given A. The coordinates are given 2, 3. Point B have the coordinate 4 and 1. So we'll write the coordinate point A are x1 and y1 as we know, and point B are x2 and y2. So here in the point x1 is our 2 and y1 is 3, x2 is 4 and y2 is 1. So by using the distance formula, so our distance formula will use the given point AB under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Substitute the value of given coordinate. x2 is given 4 and x1 is given 2. So 4 minus 2 whole square plus y2 is given 1 minus y1 is given 3 whole square. So 4 minus 2 we get 2 whole square. 1 minus 3 we get minus 2 whole square. So square of 2 is 4 plus square of minus 2 is also 4. 4 plus 4 became 8. Under root 8 we get. Split the under root 8 by doing the prime factor. We get 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. So what we factor we get 2, 2, 2. So it is given under root 2. So here answer is 2 root 2. So distance between the point AB is 2 under root 2. Same we will solve the second one. The second one question is given, point P is given minus 5 and 7, Q is given minus 1 and 3. So here we'll write the coordinate of point P and Q. x1 is minus 5, y1 is 7, x2 is minus 1 and y2 is 3. By using the distance formula, substitute the value of given point P and Q. So here we get minus 1, minus plus 5 whole square plus 3 minus 7 we get minus 4. Because minus 7 is a bigger number. So minus 1 plus 5 is how much? Plus 4 whole square plus minus 4 ka whole square. So 4 ka square is 16, minus 4 ka square is also 16. 16 plus 16, 32, will do the prime factor, we get the answer 4 root 2. Okay, so distance between the point P and Q is 4 root 2. The third one is given, the point R 0 and minus 3, S is 0 and 5 upon 2. Same procedure, we'll write the x1, y1, x2 and y2 of the given point by using the distance formula. Write the formula. Then substitute the value of x2, x1, y2 and y1. So here we get 0 minus 0, we get 0 whole square plus 5.2 minus minus plus 3 whole square. Now in the first one we have the 0 square is 0. But in the second one we have 5.2 plus 3. So we will do the mixed fraction into improper fraction. 2 3 is 6. So 5 plus 6 upon 2. So your denominator is given 2. So I multiply by 3. 2 3 is 6. So 5 plus 6 upon 2 whole square. So here 0 square is 0. So no value. 5 plus 6 is 11 upon 2 whole square. Now square root and square will cut. So here we get 11 upon 2. So our answer is the distance between the point R and S is 11 upon 2. Same way we will solve the fourth one. The point is given L 5 comma minus 8 Q minus 7 comma minus 3. So our x1 is 5 and y1 is minus 8, x2 is minus 7 and y2 is minus 3. By using the distance formula, substitute the value of given coordinate. We got a minus 12 ka square plus minus 3 plus 8 ka whole square. So minus plus minus. So minus 3 plus 8 is 5 ka whole square. So 12 ka square is 144. 5 ka square is 25. 144 plus 25 we get 169. And 169 is the square of which number, student? 13. So here the distance between the point L and Q is 13. The sum number fifth one is T minus 3 and comma 6 is given. Point R is given 9 and minus 10 is given. So x1 is minus 3, y1 is 6, x2 is 9, y2 is minus 10. By using the distance formula, substitute the value of x and y. So here we get 9 plus 3 whole square plus minus 10 minus 6 whole square. 9 plus 3 became 12 minus minus plus 10 plus 6 is minus 16. So 12 square is 144, 16 square is 256. Addition we get 400 and 400 is the square of which number, student? 20. So distance between the point T and R is 20. Student, you should know the square till the 25. It will be easy for you to get the value. Otherwise take time to do the prime factor. Now the sixth one of these question numbers 1 ka. Point W has the coordinate minus 7 upon 2 and 4. X has the coordinate 11 and 4. So x1 is our minus 7 upon 2, y1 is 4, x2 is 11, y2 is 4. By using the distance formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Substitute the value. So again we have the mixed number minus minus plus 2 into 11, 22 plus 7 upon 2 whole square. So 2 11 is 22 plus 7, how much we get? 29. 4 minus 4 is 0. 0 ka square is 0. So here we get square root under square root upon 29 upon 2 ka square. So square root and square will cut. So here we get 29 upon 2 is the answer. So the distance between the point W and X is 29 upon 2. I hope you have understood the question number 1 of practice set number 5.1. We'll soon upload the second part of the practice set number 5.1. I hope you have understood. Thank you for watching this video.